and welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be doing an unboxing / review on my first impression of the Epanouie Skin body care line. Now, for those of you who are not familiar with the brand, this particular company formulates skincare for women of color. Now, for those of you who are familiar with the brand, you know how difficult it is to come by said product. Now, reason being is this particular company, being that it is a smaller company, they do limited restocks. Now, on top of that, she already kind of has like a dedicated following, and those girls are known to sell out her product within the first 24 to 48 hours of a restock. So honestly, good luck and Godspeed trying to get your hands on some of the product because it is not easy. Now, for me, again, the reason why I'm interested in this particular product is because the focus on women of color. Now, the product's formulated helps us treat issues we would normally struggle with, and for me in particular, that issue would be hyperpigmentation. Now, I suffer from darker skin around my elbows, knees, and my ankles. And two of the products that I will be unboxing today, which is the body butter and body milk, those help combat that issue. Now, eventually I do want to do a review on my experience using the product, but I don't want to do that until I've used it consistently for 30 days. So if that is a video you would like to see, make sure you leave a comment below letting me know. And also make sure you subscribe and turn on that bell notification. That way when I do drop that video, you don't miss it. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the unboxing because I am so excited. Okay, so let's just take a moment to go ahead and admire this setup here. Definitely top tier when it comes to brand presentation. So you can tell there's been a lot of effort and attention to detail placed in the brand packaging. For me, it just screams simple yet elegant. Now, in this top box, I have the Epanouie Skin, a couple of products, but we're not going to open that. We are going to open what's in this box, which is the Epanouie body care line. Now, this top box, I have something special planned for that. So just to delve a little bit more into the brand packaging, the gold brand text gives you that kind of holographic look to it. Now, I do want to point out that most brands are going to send you your product in the typical brown cardboard box. So this is a nice touch. Okay, so I've definitely stalled long enough. Let's get into this box. So the first thing you see is the thank you card. So it's a nice little token of appreciation for your purchase. So the next insert is the Epanouie Body Care Product Guide. The material that this is printed on is very thick and it is glossy, so very nice quality. So as you can see, the product guide is very detailed. I'm gonna go ahead and skip directly to what I purchased, which was the body whip. So it gives you the how to use, the ingredients, and the warnings involved with each product. Again, I also purchased the body milk. So one thing that I do like is there is actually a frequency chart. So it tells you how often you're supposed to use the product. So it kind of helps with building a regimen. It also gives you tips and tricks, which is actually good. And of course, we all love the advisory note. That is important to read. But a very, very nice product guide. Okay, so let's get back into the contents of the box. Everything is just so perfectly packaged. The gold and white crinkly paper is so pretty. Again, this is luxury and elegance. Okay, so you are provided an alcohol wipe. Now, this wipe will be used to wipe down the plastic pump that you will place into your body milk container. Now, I do not know if you can see it, but there are a few dust particles that are on the plastic part of this pump. Now, the alcohol wipe is going to help minimize the bacteria that you'll transfer into that container. So on the website, there are a few tools that you can purchase to help you apply product. These are the facial cleansing sponges. As you can see, you do get a 50 count. Okay, and here we have the mask applicator. This is what I use to apply my pumpkin mask. Okay, so the last two items to come out of the box is the body whip and the body milk. So the packaging is just beautiful. It really kind of replicates a mirror. You can literally see yourself in it. And this one in particular puts me in the mind of those 24 karat gold bars. Okay, so we all love an environmentally friendly company. Everything you see here is either recyclable or biodegradable, so definitely a plus. So both products have a beautiful bamboo lid, and the container itself is made out of plastic. But as far as presentation goes, I would definitely say this is a product that you could leave on your countertop and it doesn't hurt the aesthetic of your bathroom. It is really pretty. So I couldn't help myself. I definitely had to open this up to check out the consistency and the smell. And I know this is something that you would want to see as well. But as you can see, it definitely looks like whip. It is really, really pretty and it smells amazing. If I could pinpoint the smell, I would definitely say it smells like a Krispy Kreme maple cream filled donut to me. Yeah, I can definitely rub this all over my body and smell like this all day if I could. Okay, so I really couldn't help myself. I had to take these sponges out the pack. They kind of remind you of the Pringles chips, like once you pop, you can't stop. But of course, they'll look different once you wet them. They are sponges. Well, that concludes my unboxing of the Epanouie Skin body care line. I would like to say overall, I am very impressed with the branding. It is a very beautiful, very pretty product. However, we all know pretty does not cut it. We need our products to work. So I'm excited to try this product out to see if it does indeed help correct my uneven skin tone and hyperpigmentation. So again, I will be doing a review on my experience using the product. So if you want to see that, make sure that you subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you do not miss that video when it drops. Thank you for unboxing this product with me. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did.